To see the price or for more details about this product, be sure and check out the link down below in the description. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Swiffer mop. Now, first off, starting from the top, going down, I wanted to show you that there is this little loop here that you can go ahead and hang the mop up if you need to. It makes a great little storage option. Now, you'll notice this button right here. This is how we actually go ahead and just push this, and it will dispense some of the mop product, which is really nice. It's kind of like a cleaning solution, and I'll go ahead and show you that in just one moment. But we can go ahead and actually push it, and as I push it, you'll notice right down here there's these little nozzles here. You can see it kind of dispenses that product right in front of you, so you can go ahead and then begin mopping right in front of you. It's a great little feature about this mop. Now, you can actually go ahead and push this in to go ahead and detach the handle and make it a little bit smaller if needed. But I wanted to show you, this is the solution right here. You can actually easily go ahead and just swap that out. You can see that's the eject button right there to go ahead and just make those changes and swap them out. But I really wanted to show you the mop here. You'll notice really nice high quality mop. It's got a really nice easily interchangeable little pad here, which you can go ahead and just tear off and throw away, and then you can go ahead and add a new one, which is great. But I love the nozzles here. I also like this right here. It's got a really nice, easily kind of adjustable joint here, so you can really get the Swiffer in different locations that might be hard to otherwise with a mop. And I can show you that a little bit here. You can see we can kind of turn it almost like sideways and get in sideways in locations, which is really nice feature about this Swiffer mop. Overall, I've been really impressed with this Swiffer mop. It works great. It does a great job at cleaning up my little floor here in my kitchen. I've been super pleased with it, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.